Hey everybody, Rage is the name. I am back and I just wanted to update you on where I'm at mentally. Like if you asked, but here we go. I'm in a great place right now and I'm feeling very inspired, so I feel like sharing. This is gonna be, not this, but this is gonna be a new picture that I'm working on. I have it actually on a canvas, getting ready to be painted, and then I want to paint this guy. He's like a little zombie thing. It's gonna take up a whole canvas. I'm so excited for that. And I guess one of the main reasons why I'm feeling so inspired is just, again, just being in Peru has just really changed the game up for me completely. I honestly feel more clear-headed and I'm able to focus my energy on positive outlets. Yeah, and I just want to let you guys know that. Right now you can't really see outside and stuff, but then you can hear, if you focus, you can hear the waves crashing. And that is the natural ambience that I get to like wake up and go to sleep to every night. It's such an amazing feeling just to hear that. Over here is my painting quarters. Oh wow, that accent, I don't know. Here is something I've been working on I still haven't gotten to. It's gonna be a lake, okay? It's gonna be a lake, alright? And this is something that I just finished yesterday. I'm gonna get into the light here so you can check it out. I don't know, I like it. I call it the matrix tree because it was my first attempt at abstract. And I kind of wanted the tree to like blend in with the abstract too. I use a palette knife and like a couple of brushes. And this is what I'm gonna be working on tomorrow. Yep. So I will probably do a time lapse of this with the same song. God, I love that song, so awesome. All right, guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.